today we're going to look at some word problems with subtracting integers. So we kind of have to really pay attention so we know which number we're subtracting from the other. Okay, so first problem. The temperature on Monday was -5 degrees. That's important information. So I'm going to take and circle it. By Tuesday, the temperature rose to -2 degrees. Find the change in temperature. Now, when we're setting up a subtraction problem, we always start with what we end with. So we ended at -2 degrees, so that's going to be the first number that I write. -2, and then I'm subtracting my -5. Okay? We are going to, remember we always have to change subtraction problems to adding the opposites. So I've got -2 plus +5. Okay? Our at addition rules say if I have opposite signs, I subtract. So I get 3, and I keep the sign of the one that's larger. So this one is positive. And if we go back to our problem, it rose 3 degrees, which means it's going up, which means it has to be a positive change. So the change in temperature is 3 degrees. Okay, or it rose 3 degrees. All right. Here's our next problem. Cheyenne is playing a board game. Her score was -275 at the start of her turn, and at the end of her turn, her score was -425. Both of those numbers are very important. This is what she started at, and this is where she ended. Okay? What was the change in Cheyenne's score from the start of her turn to the end? So again, we're going to set this up starting with what we ended with. We ended with -425. Okay? So we're subtracting what we started with, -275. Okay, again, we're adding the opposite. So we got -425, and you guys can write it out. We have to subtract. We have different signs. Okay. This became 12. This becomes 3. 0, 12 minus 7 is 5, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so -150. Her score decreased to -425. So we know that it wasn't a difference of -350 or 150, meaning she lost more points. Okay, so this is points. Yes. So -150 points is what is the difference in those two. All right, you guys, you have your assignment for today. If you have questions, email me or let me know. I can do a Zoom meeting. And if not, I will talk to you later. See ya.